My appeal is actually not to the authority. My appeal is to the Kenyan people. Despite the fact that this is a unique case of Steve, because this is a case that involved an attack, a kind of a conflict people fought. But for other cases, I want to appeal to Kenyans. When we travel to foreign countries, let us try all what is humanly possible to be law-abiding citizens. Because our administrative system, our legal system here only operates within the boundaries of the Republic. You cannot, there is no way, it's going to be very difficult for Kenya to stand up for you in a foreign country. You actually, whenever anything happens to you, you are alone in that case. I just want to appeal to Kenyans. Let us be as peaceful and as law-abiding citizens as much as we can whenever we travel out of the country. Because sadly, the government hands are tied when it comes to this kind of the cases. We tried on this particular case for the government intervention, but we did not succeed because the government said there are so many cases of that nature and they don't want to create a precedence that they want to intervene on one particular case and yet there are so many cases of Kenyans who are actually in jails in different parts of the world. That's my appeal to the Kenyan people.